Welcome back, learners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make TikTok memes with text. If this video helps you out, please give it a like and smash subscribe for more videos like it. So go ahead and open up TikTok. Make sure that you're logged in. Likely you will be, and you will be on the Home tab. Now, the first step to this process is to go ahead and make the video to which you want to add the memes to. The way that you do that is you click the plus sign down at the bottom center of the screen. It's going to bring up a camera where then you can go ahead and click Start Shooting. I'll come back after I have filmed my video. Alright, I've got my video, and you can see that I can choose to add sounds, add effects, add text, and add stickers. I can also add a filter and a voiceover to this. For this example, we can go ahead and click on text. It looks like a capital A and a lowercase a down at the bottom of the screen. Here we can enter in what we'd like the text to say. And we can choose the font that we'd like. We can choose neon in this example, and we can also choose the color that we would like the font to be. So this green looks pretty cool. We can choose the alignment, and we can choose whether it's capitalized or lowercase. When you're all set, go ahead and click Done, top right-hand side of the screen. Here you can pinch and zoom and change the way that this looks. So for instance, if we like the way that looks, we can go ahead and click on Next. You can also single tap it. It'll bring up this screen where you can actually set duration or edit it. We'll click Set Duration, and by adjusting the red bars down at the bottom, you can adjust how long your text meme stays on the screen. If you want to preview it, go ahead and press the play button on the right hand side. If you're happy with the duration, go ahead and click the check mark on the right hand side of the word duration. And you can see that our subscribe came up on the screen exactly how we had added it. You can also add stickers by clicking on Stickers. And you can choose from a number of different choices of stickers. You can also choose from emojis. This guy looks pretty funny. We'll add him. And you can edit these in exactly the same way by pinching and zooming, tilting, and putting exactly where you'd like to have it on the screen. You can also single tap, and you can either pin it to keep it there forever, or you can set duration. You adjust the duration exactly the same way as before by adjusting the red bars down at the bottom of the screen. When you're happy, click the check mark. And there you can see our adjustments. We have successfully added the memes to our TikTok video. When you're happy, go ahead and click Next. After you click Next, it's going to bring you to the post page where you can describe your video. You can decide who can see this video, and then you can also post it. And that is it. You effectively added some memes to your TikTok video using text. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please smash subscribe and give it a like. And stay tuned for more cool tricks with TikTok. Take care.